Okay, welcome all to another edition of Reclaim TV. We're at Friday Creek Retreat here and we've got three of the best people going around in the local community. We've got Kurt from KAP Plumbing, Coffs Harbour, we've got Brendan, North Coast Power and Water, and we've got Paul, the owner-operator of this beautiful retreat. So we're going to showcase a few things, Reclaim and Apricus Australia.
I'm Kurt from Kurt Atchison Plumbing, local plumber in Woolgoolga, Coffs Harbour. So out here at Friday Creek Retreat, installing heat pumps and getting rid of gas. We specialise in hot waters, sort of eco heat pumps. We do a lot of other plumbing as well. We pretty much do everything.
Okay, so we're just going to do a bit of a commissioning here and add the new Apricus all-in-one heat pump to the app on our phone. So the app that you need to have is called the Smart Life app, and it actually allows you to, as an installer, have multiple heat pumps connected to the one app.
Here at our cabin one with the Reclaim split system, 400 litre. We've chosen this for this cabin because it's a 4-bedroom. More hot water, sort of more efficient for this size.
And a good quick recovery rate as well with the CO2 heat pump. So I think some of the benefits we have on the split system, a lot of people are a little scared to put them in just because they think they're a lot more work, but they're actually quite simple to put in, and also it allows you to remotely, if required, put the tank. So a lot of existing electric tanks might be sitting inside the property, so you can still locate the tank inside and have the heat pump unit on the outside. And it's just a simple flow and return line to the unit. So you can probably talk to the heat pump side of it.
As a plumber and an installer, one of the easiest split systems I've ever done. Don't require a refrigeration mechanic. Plumbers can do everything. You need an electrician. But you can have the heat pump inside and the compressor outside. So pretty easy. You can have it wall mounted on the ground. Sort of just got to have some air around it.
Of the unit. So a big thing for us, and a thing that a lot of our customers love, is that the tanks are made right here in Australia. That's a key thing we've noticed over the past few years. Having an Australian-made tank and a heat pump unit made in Japan is just something that's very rare in the heat pump industry. There's a lot of cheap imported systems that are not designed with components to suit the Australian climate. So having that designed in Australia is a big thing. Also the warranty. So Reclaim Energy have just released a 10-year warranty on Wi-Fi enabled heat pumps, which is just unheard of in the hot water industry. So these tanks, we've been dealing with these tanks for over 10 years now, so we know they last. But for them to back it with a warranty to suit is just a great feature of the Reclaim units.
Spurted it up just to give you an example of how quiet it is. It's actually running at the moment. One of the best things about them is that you can't even hear them. So you've got to actually come out and check to see if it's going.